Motorola just dropped the 2025 Razr lineup, and it's more stylish, powerful, and polished than ever. But with 3 different foldables on the table, the Razr, Razr Plus, and the all-new Razr Ultra. Which one is right for you? Hey everyone, I'm your host Zahid, and today we're breaking down Motorola's 2025 Razr Trio. From entry-level to ultra-premium, let's see which one flips ahead of the pack. Design and build. All 3 Razrs stick to the iconic clamshell foldable design, but there are key differences. The standard Razr 2025 is sleek and minimal, with a slightly smaller outer display. It comes in fun, youthful colors and feels light in hand. The Razr Plus upgrades to a larger, more functional outer screen and adds a more premium build. Think matte finishes and polished aluminum. Then there's the Razr Ultra, a true flagship feel. Glass back, razor-thin bezels, and the most refined hinge Motorola's ever made. Each one folds flat with minimal crease visibility, and the hinge mechanism feels incredibly sturdy across the lineup. Display. Let's talk screens. The Razr has a 6.9-inch OLED inner display with a 120Hz refresh rate, vibrant and smooth for everyday use. The outer display is smaller but functional enough for notifications and quick replies. The Razr Plus also has a 6.9-inch inner display but boosts the outer screen to 3.6 inches with full interactivity, think apps, widgets, even gaming. The Razr Ultra? It goes a step further, same size inside, but with a brighter panel, better outdoor visibility, and the largest outer display yet, 4 inches edge-to-edge. Perfect for content creators and power users who want to do more without flipping open. Performance. Under the hood, there's a clear step up. The Razr 2025 is powered by a mid-range Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, solid for casual users, social media, streaming, and even light gaming. The Razr Plus jumps to the Snapdragon 8's Gen 2, smooth multitasking, flagship-like performance, and snappy UI. The Razr Ultra? Full flagship power with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the same chip found in top-tier Android phones. Expect blazing fast performance, AI enhancements, and heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat. Camera system. Camera-wise, things are getting impressive. The Razr packs a solid 64MP main sensor with a 13MP ultrawide. Great for everyday shots, and selfies are fantastic using the rear cameras plus outer display. The Razr Plus improves low light and color science, with more dynamic range and stabilization. But the Razr Ultra brings a 50MP main, 50MP telephoto with 2x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultrawide. Seriously, this foldable competes with traditional flagships. Plus, Motorola's AI-powered camera software is finally catching up. Battery life. Battery life across all models is respectable. The Razr has a 4,200 mAh battery with 33W fast charging. Not bad for a foldable. The Razr Plus bumps it to 4,300 mAh, with both wired and wireless charging support. And the Ultra? 4,500 mAh with 45W wired and 15W wireless. You're getting a full day and maybe more, thanks to optimizations with Android 15 and Motorola's new efficiency tweaks. Software and features. All 3 phones run Android 15 out of the box, with Motorola's lightweight skin. The outer displays now support full app functionality, including maps, messaging, and more. Plus, Moto AI has been added, from smart reply suggestions to real-time voice transcription and intelligent battery management. Motorola also promises 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches, finally catching up to the competition. Price and value. Here's where it gets interesting. The standard Razr is expected to start around $699, very competitive for a foldable. The Razr Plus lands around $999, offering a great balance of features and premium feel. And the Razr Ultra? $1,199, a true flagship price, but it delivers with flagship performance, cameras, and design. Each one targets a different audience, and that's a smart move by Motorola. Final verdict. So, which Razr should you get? If you're new to foldables or want a stylish everyday phone, the Razr 2025 is your pick. If you want flagship-like features without breaking the bank, go for the Razr Plus. But if you want the best foldable Motorola has ever made, the Razr Ultra is your all-in bet. Whichever you choose, Motorola's made folding fun and functional again in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and flip that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.